Hey there YouTube. Today we are going to be changing over the magazine release on my 5th generation Glock 19 from the right-handed configuration over to the left-hand side because I'm left-handed. This is a very straightforward swap, and it is the same on all Gen 4 and Gen 5 Glocks as far as I'm aware. I know the process is the exact same for my Glock 43. What you're going to do is, if you see that little bar down in here, you're going to push that over until it pops out, and then just pull it out with a pair of needle nose pliers. Like that. Come in with a pair of pliers. Like so. Really? And it is just a flat piece of metal. Now the magazine release pops out. Simply reverse it. And reinsert the spring. It does take a little bit of force to get it to go back in. There we go. Come on. There we go. That snap was the spring going back in the correct way. Now we just take the magazine and test it. Still releases as normal. Thanks for watching. Till next time.